What is going on, peeps? So a lot of people have been asking, how do I swap my MTP for MT? If you were part of the Bounty Hive bounty that we did, again, Bounty Hive. All right, so if you guys were part of Bounty Hive and you received MTPs, make sure that they're on your Monarch wallet. Make sure that you have the most updated Monarch wallet. Don't tell me that, hey, I downloaded it a week ago. Nope, you need to make sure you get the one that's on the store today. All right, so make sure you get the one that's on the store today. Looks like this. Click the Monarch token promo button. Now, make sure you have Monarch tokens in there, right? If you don't have Monarch token promos in there, then this isn't going to work. So make sure that you have them there, and you would have them if you were part of the Bounty Hive bounty. All right, click it. Now you're going to see at the top where it says in green, swap for MT. All right, so make sure you also have Ethereum on your wallet because this is an Ethereum transaction. All right, we're using the Ethereum network, a smart contract, to do this. So you have to have Ethereum on your wallet to cover the trade. All right, so click swap for MT. It's going to tell you this fee is going to cost you that much Ethereum, so that way we can swap the MTP for MT. All right, so again, it tells you be patient. It can take 1 to 5 minutes for the network to confirm this transaction. Click yes. Boom, success. So please wait a couple minutes to process your transaction. Refresh your Monarch wallet to see your Monarch tokens. All right, so click OK. It says success. It's right there in green. See the little arrow up in the left-hand corner? Click that. Go right back to your Monarch wallet main page and periodically check. Make sure that it ended up landing on your wallet. Again, it's going to take some time. As you can see, it still shows the 9 tokens there in the Monarch token promo box. But once the network does its thing, it's going to eventually show up right there in the Monarch token box, right where you see where it shows I have 1,126. Well, eventually it's going to be 9 more, all right? So there's going to be 35 there. There'll be 1,135 there here as soon as the network does the transaction. So let's give this a second. Yeah, there you go, boom. So it took that long, but I just kept pulling down on the screen and eventually it showed up, and there you go. 1135 MT in my Monarch wallet right there, right? So I start off with 9 and I just added to my stack. All right, that's how you do it. All right, peeps, I'll do another video for people that did the Telegram bounty. All right, so people that did the Telegram bounty, this does not apply to you. All right, I'll do another quick video showing you how to use a website to claim your tokens. All right, so again, if you don't have MTP tokens, this video won't work for you. You have to have already got your MTP tokens from Bounty Hive. All right, so thanks a bunch, peeps. God bless. Talk with you soon.